So guys, today I'm doing my shooting some ducks out. And I have a simple watch because the ducks are always first because they sleep in the morning. So open this up. And I got this owl right here. So I'm gonna set it down. Because that's what holds that in place. Pull food out. Get this water here. Dump the water out. And then go over here. Wash it out. Put it on the thing. I go over the food. Open that up. And it get just one or two scoops. Yeah, I'm gonna go take it. And then I always put that back. And this is always starting to overcook. So then I throw it over so it doesn't get the area too much wet. And then the chicken come out. And so I'm gonna grab some food. Plus, sometimes they might need to come over. Like this rooster here, I'm trying to get rid of him. So, because he doesn't get along with anybody, so he always has to eat by himself. And then this is their sister, and their sister always just runs around. She's actually the tamest chicken. The Muscovy right there, Waddles. I rescued her from my friend because they couldn't keep her anymore. And she's the most tame. Because all these other ducks run away from her. And now I'm going to check for eggs. Because the eggs, I've been trying to sell eggs too. There's one right here. My ducks aren't laying eggs right now because I don't have any hens. Well, actually, I might have 2 hens. I know I have 1 hen, but I might have 2 hens because we don't know what the Muscovy is. So we have to get rid of at least 3 drakes already. And everybody just sits around and eats, and everyone will go around and do their own thing. Then that's pretty much it. But look at that. A couple of the black ones I have named. One of the black ones I named. Like that one right there. Like with the bald feet. She's baldy because she's the only one that doesn't have feathers on her feet. And that's the end. Bye.